In this session we shall see the procedure to study the illumination by highway lighting by processing the measured lux data from an input file and creating triangulation and contours of the illumination on the road surface. This will help us achieve the desired illumination by adjusting the parameters such as power of the lamp, height of the lamp above the road surface and the spacing of lamp posts along the road. Step 1. Open main screen of Heads Pro. By double-clicking on desktop icon, select menu item file, select working folder. Step 2. Select a folder, work on the desktop, or may click on Browse and Create. Step 3. Select menu item, File New/Open Project Workspace Highway Lighting. Step 4. Project Workspace opens for Highway Lighting. The tab page for Create Project is currently opened. Click on button Create Project. The project folder will be created as Design Job Number 01 inside User's Working Folder. Step 5. Message comes confirming that the project folder will be created. Click on OK. Step 6. Click on button Browse to select the illumination raw data file that exists at any location. The format of illumination raw data file is given and may be seen by clicking on button Illumination Raw Data File. Step 7. Select the illumination raw data file looks rawdata.txt, may exist at any folder in some location. Click on button Open. A copy of this file will be imported to user's project folder. Step 8. Message comes confirming that a copy of the file looks rawdata.txt is imported to user's project folder. Click on OK. Step 9. The user's raw data file looks rawdata.txt is opened in Notepad. After viewing, close the Notepad. Step 10. Open tab page formatting illumination data. There are various buttons in this page. Step 11. Click on button Format Illumination Data. The formatted illumination data file is opened in Notepad. Close the Notepad. The input file name is always user given, while the output file is always created with name luxserve.txt. Step 12. The button Open Heads Viewer may be used to open Heads CAD Viewer to see any drawing with illumination contours, if the drawing was created before. Step 13. Click on button Open/View Illumination Data File. The selected input raw data file contains illumination data collected through a lighting meter linked to a computer and a distance measuring instrument. It is explained at page 20 of this document. Step 14. Click on button Open/View Formatted Data File. The formatted illumination data file is opened in Notepad. Close the Notepad. Step 15. Open tab page Process Illumination Data. There are 3 more tab pages under this page. Click on button Create Illumination Model. Currently the tab page Step 1, Illumination Model is open. Step 16. As the process is over, the message comes. Click on OK. Step 17. The list of features comes. Click on the color box for feature with label name LX. Select a desired color. It is suggested to select a dark color for better contrast with other features to be drawn later on. Click on button Apply. Step 18. Click on button Draw at the bottom of the list of all features, and the illumination model for the lines of measured illumination are drawn with the selected color. Step 19. Next, open the tab page Step 2, Triangulation under Primary tab. Process illumination data. The feature LX is selected. Step 20. Click on button Create Triangulation Model. The process dialog box come. Click on button Proceed. Step 21. As the process is over, the message comes mentioning about the output. Click on button OK. Step 22. Open tab window. Step 3. Contour under Primary tab. Process illumination data. By default the primary contour interval is shown as 1.0 m. The secondary contour interval is always 5 times of the primary interval. If required, user may reduce the primary contour interval as 0.1 lux and the secondary interval will be 0.5 lux. The contour values will be written on secondary contours. Click on button Create Contour Model. Step 23. The process dialog box comes. Click on button Run. Step 24. The contour window opens and shows the process of creating contours on the triangulation model. Step 25. As the process is over, click on the button Save on top panel of the contour window. Click on the yellow color contour icon at the bottom panel of the contour window. As the dialog box comes, click on the button Quit to close the contour window. Step 26. Next, we are back to the tab for contour in the project workspace. Click on button Draw Contour Model. Step 27. The contour model is drawn over the illumination model. Step 28. Click on the button Lux Details On. Give text size as 0.5. Click on OK. Step 29. the lux details are displayed with revised text size. Step 30, click on the button Distances on, give text size as 0.5, click on OK. Step 31, the distances along horizontal and vertical edges are displayed with revised text size. This is the end of the tutorial session for highway lighting.